Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install the MetaMask wallet application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in MetaMask and start your search. Once you find the MetaMask wallet application, tap on the install or the get button, and this will begin the download and installation of the MetaMask wallet app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it in order to open up the app. And once the application is opened up, you can sign up and create your new account or log into your existing one by tapping on the Get Started button right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the MetaMask wallet application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.